American DJ and music producer, Diplo. Architectural Digest recently gave us an exclusive tour of his stunning mansion, named Pompey, located in the beautiful Portland, Jamaica. Diplo takes us through his favorite spots in this jaw-dropping estate, including the library, gym, pool, his bedroom, and the state-of-the-art studio. We'll be highlighting some of these amazing features in this video. The tour of the 50-acre property started outside with Diplo showcasing his horses field where he grows bananas, pineapples, oranges, jackfruits, sweet potatoes, etc. According to Diplo, the building of the estate took several years to complete and it's in line with his vision. Advertisement. One of the highlighted pieces on display at Pompey is a giant jackfruit sculpture which was crafted by Veronica Ryan, a 68-year-old British sculptor. The sculpture was said to have been commissioned for the British government, and Diplo is one of the only people to own one of these pieces. Next up is the large pool, which overlooks a huge portion of trees and vegetation. The rectangular infinity-type pool is open with no overhanging structures, and around 6 lounge chairs line the length of the pool. The dining table is also located beside the pool where everyone goes to eat. At one point in the video, the music producer demonstrated a backflip into the pool from the living space just above it. Our third highlight is, according to Diplo, full of 1,000 books, records. The records in the library belong to his neighbor who moved back to Belgium, and he stated that they are some of the best unplayed reggae and Afrobeat records I've ever found. During the process of building the library, Diplo told the architects to make the room into 2 floors, looking like something from Harry Potter, where you can go upstairs and get lost in the books, get lost in the records. The final spot and breadwinner of the house is the studio where he makes all his music for Pompey Studios. It consists of a live room, a mixing room, a lounge area, which houses a number of different games, and a bedroom studio located underneath the main studio. Diplo noted that although the studio only opened up a few months prior, a few artists, including reggae entertainer Chronix, have been there to record.